Alright, so today I'm going over a passage called VISTA. I have upgraded my PC from Windows XP to Windows Vista 2 months ago when just before this support of XP expired. I could manage to upgrade it, and I can use almost all the functions. And I can use almost of all functions. But I cannot use video download application because its Internet Explorer is still version 6. I cannot upgrade Internet Explorer 6 to a newer version. I'm in trouble. Alright, so I actually made a video and corrected this already, but I forgot to activate my microphone, so it was all muted. So I'm going to go over it again. So Vista, perfect, just your title. Nothing wrong with that. I have upgraded. Okay, so upgrade, since you upgraded in the past, you need to say the past tense version of upgrade, which is upgraded with this D here. And then I have upgraded my PC from Windows XP to Windows Vista 2 months ago. And then also, since you're talking about 2 months, more than 1 month, you need to have the plural version here by adding that S. So 2 months ago. And then this comma just gives it kind of a nice natural breathing spot. Because that's where I took my breath, and that's where I think is a very natural place, because this is a very long sentence. So just before the support of XP expired. So you don't need that when. It just kind of sounds a little bit weird to have that in there. Alright, next sentence. I could manage to upgrade it and can use almost all of the functions. Okay, so let's see. But I cannot use video download application because its Internet Explorer is still version 6. Alright, I could manage to upgrade it, and I can use almost all of the functions. So change that to all of instead of all, because you're saying almost all. You can't say almost of. Almost of what? Like almost. You need almost. When you say almost, we're wondering almost what. Are you almost tall enough to ride that ride at the fair? Are you almost rich enough to buy that car? All right, almost what? Almost all of the functions are what you know, right? And then this the just kind of makes it talks about specific functions. It's just a natural thing to put there. Since we're talking about specific functions that you've learned, put the there. And then but I cannot is one word, use a video download application. So I put this A here because there's a couple ways you can say this. You can say like I think you're talking about one specific video download application that you're not able to use right now because of your Windows or your Internet Explorer. So that's why I put the A. But I cannot use a video download application. But you can also say I cannot use the video download application, and that's a specific video download application. But you're gonna need something there, or if you're talking about multiple applications and you can't use any of them, then I would say, but I cannot use video download applications because Internet Explorer is still version 6. So add the S. So don't put anything before video. Just add an S there if you're talking about multiple applications. All right. And I think that was it. All right. And I cannot upgrade Internet Explorer 6 to a newer version. Alright, so we're typically not supposed to start a sentence with and. English natives do it all the time. I do it all the time. And or but. I do both of those all the time. And then, so just try to avoid it. Especially when writing like an essay. If you're going to take an English class in school or something, or if you have already, and you wrote a sentence like that, they would knock off a point for that and. So just be careful about that. I always say you should learn the right ways, and then you can choose which rules to follow. Once you know all the rules, then you can say, this rule's dumb. I'm not going to follow it because no English natives follow it. But since you're learning the rules right now, I would recommend not doing that. Alright, and then once again, cannot is one word, so just take out that space and you're good there. And then the sentence is perfect. And then I'm in trouble, perfect. So yeah, I already corrected this, and then I left the wrong link there because this one has sound and the last one is not going to have sound. So sorry about that. I hope I was able to help you out, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.